In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve Perplexity AI app not responding. So if you're trying to generate charts, but at the end of the day, it's taking too long or it can't respond, or you're not getting the feedback, then let me show you how you can solve this problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you are generating a chart under a thread, you need to go ahead and try to generate a chart under a new thread. To do this, just go ahead and click on back here and go ahead and generate your chart under a new thread. In most cases, this should be able to fix an issue that you had. Alternatively, if this doesn't solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and try and restart your Perplexity app. And after restarting, go ahead and open a fresh new thread and then start generating your charts. And this should solve an issue related with Perplexity. If you still find any challenge, then go ahead and make sure that any VPN, if you have on your smartphone, is turned off before you can generate your charts. In most cases, VPNs might be restricting usability of Perplexity. However, if you still find or encounter any challenge, then you need to go ahead and clear Perplexity cache files or cache data by just long pressing on it, and then go to apps, and under apps, go ahead and click on clear data here. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your Perplexity AI app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. And this should now solve your problem. But should you still experience any challenge, then go ahead and clear all data here and click on OK. Then go ahead and log in afresh on your Perplexity app. And by using any of these methods, your Perplexity app should be up and running without any issue. So that's how you can fix any issue related to Perplexity not responding or being slow. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.